So the last morning, and it has rained. It's still sprinkling in the air. Here's what the world's best beach looks like, even on a rainy Monday morning. It's still stunning. Well, I have reached Point Grace for the last time on this trip, and it is absolutely pouring down with rain. Not sure that you will be able to see that in the lens or not, but I am now facing into a squally rainstorm, which I might as well be in the water because I'm as wet. So, not as many people on the beach this morning, and it is pouring down on Monday morning. First real daytime rain that we've had, so I've been very fortunate. Had some fantastic weather, but it is a little wild out there today. Another reason I love the Turks and Caicos Islands. A few minutes ago I was being hit with a squally shower. Now the sun has returned. Still plenty of clouds, but gorgeous setting, and got some really dark grey clouds over there to the east. I guess that would be to the west. And the boat traffic is out there moving, getting into position for today. Another day in paradise.